Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We're now going for a ride in our 1956 Chevy Bel Air. Very mean little machine here at Skyway Classics, featuring the two-tone white and silver exterior, torque style wheels. Going into the interiors, you can see it's a classic style black white interior. You got the very nice bench seat, automatic on the column. You got the old-fashioned wheel that still works with the horn. Other than that, as you can see, all our gauges are working. Temperature's still trying to warm up right now. I especially like how they did the nice job on the interior. In fact, they even added the lucky dice for a little bit of luck. Now, one of the conversions that were made on the interior is the radio. I know you can't really hear it, but they actually paid to have the original radio rebuilt so it could have basically a new tune, but with an old face on it. Also, as you see underneath there is a vent which leads us underneath the hood to a new vintage AC system. You have the small block Chevy under there with only plain Jane manifolds on it. So of course it still produces a good sound. It does have a hydraulic cam coming out the back, which is why right there when I open it up, it has a better sound coming from the back. Not just that old plain Jane style like a 6-cylinder or a newer car, but this definitely is what you call a classic car. But as for now, we're just going to get it turned around and up on the lift, so please stay tuned to see the underneath.